Alright, I'm making this video for a friend of mine actually, but I know there's a lot of people out there that never built a website and they want to have one of their own, but it can be a little intimidating. So I'm going to show you the absolute easiest way to set up a website once you have a hosting account. If your domain name is at Godaddy, and my friend is there, I'm going to walk through that process. Each register has maybe a slightly different process, but the overall concepts are pretty much the same. So you're going to want a hosting account that has cPanel access. So that's a big thing. So if you've never had a website before, make sure the hosting is providing cPanel. Okay, and that's going to give us a lot of built-in features and applications and goodies like that you would have to manually go install if you didn't have that access. So navigate to godaddy.com, go ahead and sign in. Alright, and locate your domain name. So you got domains, servers, web hosting. You'll probably have web hosting if you're doing it here. I also have dedicated servers through here, but you're going to want to go to manage domains. I'm just going to pick random domain. I don't have a lot of domains here, maybe 100 or so. Let's see. Let's go ahead and mess with this one. So you're going to click on the domain just like that, and it's going to pull up this view. Alright, and you're going to want to go ahead and put in the name servers for the hosting. So if it's hosted with Godaddy, they'll give you the name servers, or they'll use default name servers they can use. I think I just use my own dedicated servers usually. So what we're going to do is I'm going to click on manage. Okay. So standard hosting forwarding. So this will work with some of your basic hosting, I think, but the standard one. So this would work if you had a default like cheap shared hosting account. We're using dedicated server shared account. I'm not sure if that made sense. Edit custom name servers. So you're gonna go ahead and put in, right? You're gonna put in exactly what I'm putting in here. Everybody else put in whatever your hosting provider's name servers are that they provide you. Once again, Brent, these are the ones you're putting in there. I've already made an account for your domain, so you'll be good. You're going to click OK and save. Now this might take a few minutes to, like it says, it takes a few minutes to take effect. GoDaddy's pretty quick about this. Usually takes less than 5 minutes. But some registers, I've seen them take days. So we're going to go ahead and give it a minute here. You're not going to want to mess with any other stuff. This is where people get into trouble. They start messing up their DNS servers, forwarding premium DNS. All you got to do is change the name servers. Name servers. It's way too late for me to be doing this video. Alright, so let's get lucky here. Let's see if we got that already switched over. Finds method. Alright. So we're going to give it a minute here, and this is just where it's being forwarded to. Let's give it a minute, and I will be right back, but it'll be 2 seconds for you. Let's see. Pause. Yeah. Not going well here. Alright, it's been about 2 or 3 minutes, and I'm getting bored. Let's see if we got the change. We go back. You click on all domains. We can see it's already updated here. So, feeling good about it. Might have to delete the cache, but other than